Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak on 18th July 2021, Treasury Consulting is a multinational headquartered concern based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we hold our own prop hedge desk. We hold our commodities desk. It's a prop. We hold our currencies desk, prop. Apart from that, our learnings academy, which is Sheetal Academy, is set to launch the wealth management and mutual fund platform. We have our own OTT platform, over the top, TRFX Academy, and many more products. If you wish to have any information, you can definitely WhatsApp me, which is +919899242978, or alternatively, you can WhatsApp at our back office, which is +919818485155. I told many people on the social media that I am now entering into the world of credit ratings. I'm not saying that Treasury Consulting will file for a license of credit rating because we all understand that the companies who already filed for license of credit rating, how good and effective they are. We all understand that, to be honest. What is more important to us is that we would be exploring the world of credit rating and we would be making the financial models of credit rating. And this is more important to us. The January has started, and today I am going to be having the first video covering our credit rating test. Let's assume a person whose name is Ramlal. If by coincidence, if that person exists and the example which I wanted to put forward, this is merely a coincidence, nothing intentful. So there is a person called Ramlal, and that person is working as a general manager in some company. He is drawing a salary of 40 lakh rupees per year. I repeat, we have a gentleman called Ramlal. He work as a general manager in some multinational concern and drawing a salary, say 40 lakh rupees per year. He hold a credit card, and this credit card facility is of 10 lakh rupees. Does that mean that he is earning 50 lakh rupees, which is 40 plus 10 lakh of credit card? No. Only idiots can say that he is earning 50 lakh rupees. Even if he is going to be using the complete 10 lakh worth of facility of that credit card, that needs to be repaid. If not, the bank know how to take the money. Now the question is, when the so-called credit rating agencies do the credit rating, they review the balance sheet. It is written in the notes that they review the balance sheet. Till what extent they review the balance sheet, we know that infrastructure leasing and financial services, Diwan Housing, Yes Bank, PMC Bank, Wirecard, and there are hell lot of scandals which we have. So we all know that till what extent they review the balance sheet. There is no doubt about that, or how much scrutiny the balance sheet is done actually. How much scrutiny of the balance sheet is done. One of the important components of the balance sheet nowadays is definitely our debt. There is hardly any company except top companies like Facebook, Google, Amazon, Accenture, and few IT companies, those who are debt free. Except the fact that the cash rich status is really very difficult to attain. By the way, Treasury Consulting is cash rich. Now the problem we have in the system is that majority of the companies in the world, they are having a credit line. There are multiple type of credit line, and many people even do not understand the difference between credit line and line of credit. There is a wide difference between credit line and line of credit. It is like Singapore and Somalia. Both starts with S, but Singapore is credit line and Somalia is line of credit. There is a video on our YouTube channel. You can refer that video, credit line and line of credit. You will get more information from that video. When the credit rating, so-called credit rating companies do the credit rating, they treat the credit line as a potential source of fundraising. Is that correct? Is that correct? No, it's not correct. By the way, the credit line are of two types. Number one, it is on balance sheet and off balance sheet. Nowadays, there was the time when bank used to give the credit line off balance sheet, but now banks are giving credit line on balance sheet. So credit line are of two type, on balance sheet and off balance sheet. Apart from that, credit line is also included in the two parts. One is the KPI based and another is non KPI based. As the so-called ESG is getting famous, the credit companies, the banks are giving KPI based credit line. Now the biggest question is, when the credit rating companies do the credit rating, they treat these credit line as a source of income or as an alternate source of raising money. But is that correct? Is that correct? No. This misguide the rating. And there are still, even in 2021, there are millions and billions of investors who invest only because of credit rating. This is the first video. If you get some time, just think that what is credit line and what is line of credit, and do we need to take this credit line and line of credit in the books? Think over it. Have a great time ahead.